creating a work order in KettleiQ. In this short training, I'll show you how to log a job so it doesn't get forgotten. Title, asset, priority, type, and assignment from your work order list. Let's take a look. You'll find this under Maintenance, Work Orders from your dashboard. When something needs fixing, create a work order so it doesn't get forgotten. Here's your work order list. Every open job, its asset, priority, and who's on it. Click New Work Order up top. Start with a short title, something like Glycol Chiller Leaking. Then pick the asset it's for. Search by name or scan its tag if you're standing right next to it. Set a priority, low, normal, high, or critical, based on how much it's hurting production, and a type, repair, inspection, or preventive maintenance. Describe what's wrong. The more specific, the faster the fix, and attach a photo if you've got one. Assign it to a tech now, or leave it unassigned for someone to grab. Click Create. An unassigned one drops into the list as draft, and if you assigned a tech, it moves to assigned and they get notified.